Yo, what? Just a reminder, I'm almost to 100 subscribers, and just like my 50 subscriber special, I will do anything or answer anything you guys question or tell me to do in the comments if I can. I already have some of your requests from Instagram, so just type in the comments what you want me to do, and I will do them. So, on with the video. Oh, and please share this with your friends. Please. Thank you. Subscribe too. Yeah. Hey, thanks for doing the dishes. Yeah, no problem. What are you doing? You can't cough on the plate and put it back. That's a dirty plate. So? Have you never had that class in science or health about germs? I don't know what you're talking about. I coughed like this. No, I saw you go like this. Here, whenever you cough, why don't you do that thing with your elbow? You know this part? You just, you know, that dad thing. Fine. God. I'll do that. Yo! What now? You just coughed in the same hand you were about to pick up the plate with. You're picking up a clean plate with dirty hands. You know what? If you keep saying these, then why don't you do it then? Because I already did the dishes yesterday. Fine.